Welcome to Biafra Battle Cry TV, where Biafra is not just only our identity, it is our faith. Here, we stand firm in our devotion to...
Hello, fellow Nigerians. This is a special message to the Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of Nigeria, General Christopher Musa. This is a special thank you message from the Igbo Women Assembly. My name is Lolo Nneka Chimezie. I'm the president of the Igbo Women Assembly. We want to thank you specially, sir, for the activities of the militaries in the Southeast right now. We've cried over time about the onslaught of the militaries in the Southeast, their activities, the way they intimidate our youth, the harassments, and even the killing in the Southeast. I've even called for you to raise a committee that will look into the activities of the military, especially in the Osun local government area of Imo State. We have it on a good information that the militaries were responsible for the burning down of a very popular ancient market, the Ekototo market. But our recent investigation shows that the activities of the militaries now is more friendly, no more harassment, no more stop and raise your hand, no more hostilities from the militaries. It is necessary we do this so that for you to know that we know that the activities of the militaries in terms of harassment, killing, and other things in the Southeast has stopped. Yes, and we want to thank you specially because the Southeast, especially our youth, has suffered greatly in the hands of the Nigerian military from the days of our former president, late General Muhammadu Buhari, from Python dance, from the arrest of Nnamdi Kanu, who is still in incarceration, from Python dance to the abduction of Nnamdi Kanu from Kenya, and to moving the military to Southeast. Let me do a quick rerun of what led to the military coming into Southeast. Southeasterners choose to protest the incarceration of one of their own, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, who was abducted from Kenya down to Nigeria, and they believe that with their experience with the Python dance, all they could do is to sit at home and protest. And then, that kind of brought lockdown, and there were far cries for the sit at home to be called off. And in this, the federal government decided to move the army from what they told us to relax the sit at home. But I can assure you, sir, the moment the military went to go and investigate, went down to Southeast, crime rates skyrocketed, all manner of things started happening in the Southeast. But right now, you are the only chief of army staff that assumed office that we had peace in Southeast, especially on the activities of the militaries. And we can't just close our eyes to this. You know, we just have to say, thank you very much, sir. We see you. We see your hand. We see what you've done. The militaries are even more friendly, no more traffic, no more hold up. And of course, you will agree with me. That was why our youth refused to enroll in the military. Even the militaries have to come for sensitization in the Southeast. Now, sir, I am going to suggest that maybe you do more of outreach in the Southeast, to build confidence, because I can assure you, sir, with the intimidation and harassment the Southeast have received from the military, right from 2014 till around early this year when you took over the seat of power of the military, till now, it wasn't easy. So that kind of made them so afraid of the military. Sir, I will plead that you do a kind of outreach so that to build back confidence on people. Once again, we in the Igbo Women Assembly, because we do cover activities in the Southeast, and that was how we came up with so many allegations we laid against the military, which are the truth. And by God's grace, Your assuming office has kind of brought down the harassments and the killing by the military. I want to use this opportunity on behalf of myself and the entire Igbo Women Assembly. We say, thank you very much, sir. God bless you.